How to recover Brawl Stars account. What is up everybody? In this video I'll show you guys how you can recover your Brawl Stars account. First thing first, you're gonna have to go ahead and access your web browser. You can open any web browser on your device. Once you have done that, tap on the search bar and then simply search for Brawl Stars support. Then you can hit enter. And now you can tap on the first link that you see, support.supercell.com. And from here, you can choose any support that you would like on your game. Tap on the three lines that you see at the top right. Now you can just go ahead and tap on the account section where you say about Supercell ID. Then from here, you can scroll down. And if you found this article helpful, you can give it a thumbs up, or else you can tap on the thumbs down button. Then you're going to have to tap on the support option. And you're going to have to contact them. In order to do that, tap on the three lines at the top right and go to Accounts. Tap on Account Security or Recover Your Account. Then I've lost access to my account. And after this, scroll down until you find the Contact Us button. Then you can just go ahead and search for Supercell Contact and you'll get a contact form. Just go ahead and select your category, tap on something else. From here, choose your issue and then briefly type in what your problem is. Once you've done that, tap on submit and you should be able to recover your account. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.